guy. So we're back with another video. We're gonna be putting on some very special side skirts for my buddy here, Dionis.
Yo.
We're currently gonna go get a missing piece from his house, and then we should head back to my house and hopefully install everything without a problem. Oh my God! There was a state trooper behind us, so hopefully he didn't pull out. God damn!
Alright, so we're back. This is the company that he bought it from, AeroFlow Dynamics. These are the little side skirt like extensions that he got, right? And obviously this is going to be a pretty quick video, but they go right there under his factory side skirt, or if you have aftermarket ones, I'm pretty sure they'll fit as well. But they already have, the good thing about them is they already have pre-drilled holes in them, as you can see. So all we have to do is line it up and drill the holes into the side skirt that he has from factory and put this little sticker on. I was watching a video and they put this little sticker on like one of the edges for you could like measure everything right. So we're gonna try to do that and replicate their results, because for them it came out pretty good. So we're probably gonna watch the video again just to make sure that we do it correctly, for we don't mess up and have everything turn out flawless. So we will be right back. A quick look at his car while he's cleaning the side skirt area. This is his, what year is it? 2013, right? 2013 STI. Oof. He's on BC coils, so he's dropped a little bit. Nothing crazy. But yeah, this is his car. And we're installing those little side skirts right there. So now that his side skirts are clean, we're going to install the extensions. I don't know why I keep calling them side skirts, but side skirt extensions. So let's clean these and then start mounting them on. So what most people don't tell you in the videos about these side skirt extensions are that the front is the part that has a little divot in it. See how it goes straight and then cuts in? The back is actually just straight back and flush. So what you want to do is, obviously since these holes are going underneath your car, you want to take the arrow, right, and put it as far back as you can and as lower to the bottom as you can, and that should be your guide for the mounting points later on. All right, buddy boy, let's see if you can take it off without ruining any letters.
No, it came off.
It came off already?
Damn.
Damn, Dionis. Basura, get him out of here. All right, keep going back to the freaking
Drawing board.
Yeah, back to the drawing board. So take two, here we go. Can he do it?
Oh, no.
Again? Bro.
Chill.
AeroFlow. Get your stickers, man. They not working. They not working. Alright, so Dionis had a smart idea of going the other side.
Yeah, the other side.
Okay. We're good so far. Yeah, try to make it all flat. Okay. Okay, keep it going. You can do it. I believe in you. Oh. Okay. Oh. The Fresh Kicks 2.0. Wow. Look at that guy. Alright, so we had to make our own little contraption. Since I didn't have the right attachments and a drill doesn't fit under here because my man is low guy over here. These little screws, they're like what was it, a 1/4 socket you could use if it would focus. 1/4 right there. 1/4 socket is what you could use, and that's what fits this little like hex pattern bolt. There we go, as you can see. So simple. All you got to do is take the screw, put it in the little hole, right, and then just start wrenching away and make a hole in your side skirt. You have power tools, things go a lot faster. Oh, that is crooked, boy. Oh my goodness.
Hey, it's my car.
All right, so the only problem we encountered was trying to mount it in the beginning, but you actually have to mount it into your side skirt. There was like a little piece of like rubber in the bottom
Down here, right? But you actually have to mount it to the side skirt, not the little piece of rubber.
But yeah, the only thing that you have to do is just make sure you mount it onto the actual side skirt and not anywhere else in between, because there is some spots that it's not as durable. But for what we see, with just the screws inside them and nothing else holding it up, just the screws, it does look and feel pretty durable. Like somebody could not full step on it, but you could step on it, like, you know, by accident a little bit and not actually have the whole thing come down on you. So now we're on to the next side, and then I'll show you guys when we are all done.
So we are back. This is what they look like. This is the passenger side. Looks real nice in my opinion. It's not all out in your face. It goes well with the body of the car. And the other side is right here. This is the other side, driver's side. This is what it looks like. Here, I'll give you guys a rear view, and then front. Can't really tell, it's there. It's not that big. It's probably like 2 inches. This is my thumb for reference. 2 inches out. So that's gonna do it for this video.